Approved. Finally happened, and the price action has been responding to what's been going on in the Ethereum ETF news leading up to it. If anybody traded these wicks successfully, well, you're a much better trader than anybody. Okay, in 15 minutes time we literally had price movements of about 10%. Imagine if you had 20x leverage, 200% swings up and down. A lot of people would have been liquidated. We did talk about this price range earlier, and at the moment we're still in that price range, which tells me a lot of the ETF approval had been priced in by the time we got into this range support of 3,600, 3,832. But there's another element to the story that not a lot of people are talking about, and stay with me for the next couple of minutes. Hit the like and let's talk about what's happening next, because the most important chart for me right now, of course, the Ethereum price is important, but is the Ethereum Bitcoin chart. Ethereum is in danger for the first time in 1.5 years, 18 months, of breaking out. Ethereum has been losing value against Bitcoin to the tune of about 50% in this time period. And if we close this week in 3 days, anywhere above the 0.05 level, meaning it costs 0.05 of a Bitcoin to buy one Ethereum, so basically 20% of a Bitcoin is Ethereum at the moment, then we are off to the races, and we can see it in the Bitcoin price. Bitcoin has been declining today. In fact, it came down to the daily support we talked about in my previous video when we were talking about Bitcoin. $66,300 is the support. If Bitcoin does lose that crucial $66,300 level, you're talking about 65,300 and then potentially even 61,575. You do then start to look at the bull market resistance band, which are up in the high 58,000s. So it looks like Ethereum is gaining some speed here. It was a bit of a roller coaster just before the SEC came out, approved the ETFs. They were talking about a delay of 24 hours, and it's what caused this kind of flash crash to the downside and then pump to the upside when it was finally approved an hour later. So on the daily chart for Ethereum, very easy to see that we are above previous resistance support. The support now for Ethereum is 3,800. The next resistance zone is $4,000 and then $4,070, and then you can start targeting the all-time high up at $4,005 to $4,900. In fact, I did some analysis just before using CoinGPT, which is an AI live data trading tool. It's far more accurate than any human being. Gives you the exact levels, take profit, stop loss. It's free to use, and the link is in the description, by the way. And it reckons on the 4-hour time frame, based on the technical indicators, it's a recommend buy at the moment with a take profit of 4,000 and a stop loss of 3,700. Using this bot, you can click open trade above and it will actually open the trade for you in real time with your trading account if you've connected it with the API. Super cool. You can analyze any cryptocurrency in real time. I could even say to it, for example, do you recommend taking leverage on the trade above? Let's see if CoinGPT is a degen or not. I don't know what it will say. Let's see. I wouldn't recommend taking leverage on this trade due to the already overbought RSI. That's fair enough. Maybe we could say, could you suggest a way of making this trade less risky? Just to show you what it's all about. This is one thing you can do. You can chat to it just like any GPT, and it's going to give you the answer, how to manage risk, how to minimize risk. We could analyze Bitcoin, for example, and you can do that for any cryptocurrency. So link down below for CoinGPT. It's bullish on Ethereum at the moment, as well as many other coins. It's actually recommending to sell Bitcoin. So going back to this chart, well, it shows that, you know, Ethereum is much more bullish than Bitcoin right now. Let me know if you agree in the comments below. Lastly, guys, for anybody that's looking for a safe, reliable place to trade without any restriction, no KYC, Blowfin is a great option. Link down below. Up to 5k bonus when you deposit at least $100. Really easy platform. When you click the link, you'll come to my page And there you go. You can claim up to $5,000. For anyone that wants to trade using a decentralized exchange, a DEX, you can now trade futures on that with Apex Pro. Permissionless trading, super easy to use. You just press trade, connect your Web3 wallet, for example, MetaMask, Trust Wallet, or any of these wallets, and you can trade directly on chain. No account needed, no KYC, no government, no bureaucracy, just trade directly on chain. So super helpful, super cool. Thanks for joining me on this one. Check out any one of these videos on screen before you go. And remember, I've got the bonus links in the description down below, as well as the link for CoinGBT, where you can analyze any cryptocurrency, get a stop loss, get a take profit, help with analysis. See you soon on another one. Take care. Bye-bye.